Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 16.2 RC update is not showing. So if you are trying to download that update and if you don't know how to download it, or if you are trying to download it from Apple beta website and if it's still not showing, then I'm going to show you how you can get that update, how you can get iOS 16.2 RC updated on your iPhone. So if you go to software update section, you will get the old update, and if you want to install RC, watch this video until the end. So now let's install the iOS 16.2 RC update. So to do that, go to Safari browser first and go to this website. As you can see, instead of Apple beta, go to this website. Once you have opened the website, scroll down and here you will see iOS 16.2 RC. Click on install. Scroll down, click on install. Now allow the profiles to be downloaded. The profile is downloaded on your iPhone. Go to settings, click on VPN and device management, and you will see this iOS 16 beta profile. Install the update. Now enter the passcode of your iPhone, and simply click on install. So once it's done, click on not now. Now go to software update and you will get the iOS 16.2 RC update. As you can see, iOS 16.2. So you can simply click on download and install and it will start downloading. So hope this video helps you. If it does, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.